Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my attempt at a Shea Body Butter. I'm going to be using mango butter that I got from the company Oslove. I'm also going to be using unrefined shea butter from the company Better Shea Butter. The oils that I'm going to put in are some vitamin E oil, which helps to fade scars and treat dry skin. I'm also going to use grapeseed oil, which evens out skin tone and it protects against sun damage. I'm going to use some almond oil, which can help treat skin conditions like eczema, which I do have. And I'm also going to be using castor oil, which is an antifungal and overall nourishing oil. I'm going to be blending everything up in my Ninja blender since I don't have a hand mixer on hand. Here I'm utilizing the double boiler method. I've just taken my glass measuring cup and put my mango butter inside and dipped it inside of a boiling pot of water that's on low heat. This will help me to melt down the mango butter since it's a little bit tougher than the shea butter, and it'll make for easier mixing in my blender. I let that sit for about 10 minutes until the majority of the butter was melted down. Next, I'm just showing me adding the melted mango butter to my shea butter that is already broken up into my blender. The measuring cup that I used was a 1/4 measuring cup. It does have a 1/8 cup line in the middle of it. However, for all of the oils, with the exception of the vitamin E oil, I did do 1/4 cup for all of them. With the vitamin E oil, I put in about 15 to 20 drops. Just a side tip, I did realize after adding 1/4 cup of each of those oils that it might have been too much of an oil to butter ratio, because after I blended it in the blender for about 2 minutes, the consistency was very liquidy, almost like watery, and I realized that I needed to add in more butter to help thicken it up and get it to the somewhat lotiony consistency that I was wanting. As you can see, I kind of overflowed my blender here and had to put some of the excess in the measuring cup. But I did add in just about all of the butter that I had, which was the mango and shea butter. I got most of my ingredients from Amazon. After I realized that it wasn't really going to work in this small size blender, I did get my medium size blender and I just deposited all of the product into that. I also put it in the freezer for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and that seemed to really help it. Of course, when I took it out, it was still slightly watery, not quite yet the consistency that I was wanting. And I had just a little bit more mango butter left, so I applied the rest of that in the blender, and it turned out the right consistency that I wanted. So it did give me a nice smooth lotion consistency that was very nourishing and moisturizing. I did use mason jars to store my product in, and it filled about 3 mason jars. They're each 16 ounces. I will leave links below if you're wanting to obtain any of those items so you can try this yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.